Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time here, hello, welcome. My name is Helen, and I am so glad you could join me today. So I have another No Make No Life unboxing video for you guys. This is the long-awaited June box. If you remember, maybe at the beginning of July, I released my first No Make No Life May box, and I explained in there that due to COVID, a lot of the shipping that they were dealing with kind of was on a standstill. These boxes do come out of Japan, so everything was kind of slow to get to me, but since the July box, so July now moving into August, I have been paying the $10.95, I believe it is, extra to have DHL ship. To have them shipped through DHL, so those boxes are coming in like super quick with no problems. So this is the June box that I am receiving. I received actually today, I think, or did I receive it yesterday? It was either yesterday or today, so July 30th or 31st. So it is the 31st while I'm filming this. But as usual, I am super excited to see what I have in here. I really like the No Make No Life boxes. They're just like fun and different. They are a beauty, Japanese and Korean beauty box. It is, I believe, $35 a month. If I am mistaken, I'll have it up on the screen for you guys, but I believe it's $35 a month, and you just get a lot of really cute goodies in here. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and open up the June box. Alright, so per usual, this is what the inside of the box looks like, and this does have some paper, and then I'm gonna open her up. So June 2020's theme was Stay Home, Stay Fabulous, which of course this was in the middle, and I guess we're still kind of in the middle, but this was kind of in the middle of the quarantine time. So I won't go too into what's in here because I kind of want to open everything as I go, but I will look at the horoscope for June. So this is which at-home beauty activity should you try? And I am a Virgo, and it says I should try making a DIY hair mask. So that's super cute. Sure, I guess I'll have to try making a DIY hair mask. So yeah, let's get into the box. So the first thing I have is this Hair Sheep steam pack. It's kind of cute. It's super different. I think it's a mask for your hair. So it says here, this is the Mediheal Hair Sheep Steam Pack. This is from Korea. Say goodbye to frizzy, dry, and damaged hair. This unique hair pack by popular Korean brand Mediheal is not only super cute and selfie worthy, it leaves your hair silky and shiny from root to tip. This hair pack warms up so nourishing ingredients like hydrolyzed collagen and goat milk get absorbed by your hair even better. Okay. I like the idea of this. This is super cute. The thing that about these hair masks, and I recently received one in a BoxyCharm box as well, that are kind of annoying to me, is so you're supposed to wash your hair, so then your hair is wet, wash your hair, and then you're gonna towel dry your hair. So at this point you've gotten out of the shower. You put on the hair mask, so this one, you put on the hair mask, and then you leave it on for like 10 to 15 minutes, and then you rinse off. So I'm lazy. I don't want to take my shower, get out of my shower, put a hair mask on, and get back into the shower and do it, and re-shower, I guess. I know I could probably do it at the sink. I know there are probably other options that you guys are probably like, well, there's a million other ways you could do it, but that's all I imagine. It's I have to shower, get out of the shower, and then get back into the shower, and that's a lot. That's commitment. So I definitely will try this though. This is super cute. I really like it. I'm just lazy and I don't want to have to jump in the shower more than once. Alright, next we have Pores Clear Pack. Super fun packaging. And it says oops on it up here. Let's see what this says. Pores Clear Pores. Oh, it's the Pores Clear Pack Peel Off. I can't speak. Perez Pores Clear Pack Peel Off. This is from Japan. It's time to clean those pores with the Ultimate Peel Off Pack by Japanese brand Perez. This product can be applied straight from the tube without getting your hands dirty. It includes Moroccan lava clay and charcoal to absorb pore impurities to make your nose squeaky clean. That's kind of cool. It's not like one of those strips. It's you know, like a mask that you apply. So that's kind of cool. Alright, next up we have this super cute little, it says Lip Bubble Choosy, and it's lip shaped. That's super cute. This one says Choosy Bubble Lip Pack. This is from Japan. It says give your lips a boost with this refreshing minty bubble lip pack. Apply it on clean, dry lips and massage for at least a minute for the foam to appear to exfoliate your lips and make them soft. After rinsing your lips, apply the so I also have a lip balm. So after rinsing your lips, apply the It's Demo Pokemon Lip Balm to moisturize. So super cute little lip mask, lip exfoliator. Next up, since I did just mention it, I'll go with the, that's super adorable, the It's Demo X Pokemon Heart Tinted Lip Balm. That's so adorable. It's got a little Pikachu on there. Ah, how cute is this heart-shaped Pokemon tinted lip balm by Japanese brand It's Demo. Now you can keep your lips moisturized at home and all year round. It includes one of our favorite moisturizing ingredients ever, shea butter. In June's box comes one of these variations. So there's a pink, a green, a blue, or yellow, and mine is blue, and so it is peach scented, which is my favorite, so that's super fun. I can't wait to try that. I'm actually going to open that real quick and smell, because I'm a peachy kind of girl. I like the smell. Gosh, the packaging is so cute. Okay, I mean, like, it's not like bam, peach scent, but it's peachy, and it's super cute inside. Look at that little heart. Super cute. And this is what the back of it looks like. So adorable. Love it. Alright, next up I have this super cute animal foaming net. So it looks like a little sponge. So it says, use this animal foaming net to easily create foam using your favorite face wash. Not only is it super fun, you will also waste less product. After creating the foam, use your hands to apply it to your face. In June's box comes one of these variations: bear, chick, fish, or frog. I must have the chick. Oh, I have the chick. It's so cute. So that's super fun. I do like the concept of like it making your like face wash kind of go a little further. All right, next we have Heart and Blossom Cheek. Blossom Cheek, so it must be a blush. And this is from the Etude House, which I've heard of them and I've received in a past No Make No Life box. And this is in the color My Little Blossom. So that's what this looks like. It's like a nice pinky shade, it seems. And this says Etude House Heart Blossom Blush. This is a Korean brand. Spring vibes all year round with this cute limited edition blush from popular Korean brand Etude House. This high quality soft blush has a subtle shimmer that looks amazing on your cheeks or even on your eyes. Use it to create cute makeup looks at home. In June's box comes the color Attracted Love or Unrelenting Spring. I didn't receive either of those. I received, oh, I guess this is Attracted Love, PK004, but it doesn't say that on here. It says My Little Blossom. So let's open her up. Oh, that's super cute. I really like this. This is so adorable. And this is actually a nice color, pink. It's not like overly bright. And yeah, I could see this making a good like eyeshadow as well. Doesn't have a scent to it. All right, next up we have the Soft Care Foot Pack Foot and Heel Peeling Mask. Uh-oh, it's one of those masks for your feet. It says Exfolio Foot and Heel Peeling Mask. This is from Korea. Relax at home and try this foot mask while reading a book or watching TV. It gently and effectively removes dead skin cells while providing moisture and nutrients through natural fruit and herb extracts like grapefruit and chamomile, making your feet super soft. So this is one of those masks that you put on your feet and then like a week later they start peeling like crazy. I've seen those videos, which grosses me out so much, but I've always secretly wanted to do it. There was a time where like I was walking a lot for like work and I would build up like, I know it's probably gross to even tell you guys, but like I would build up like calluses under my feet. And when I would go get pedicures, a lot of the people would like, you know, like I guess cut them off. I don't know if it's cutting them off, which is basically remove them like with my pedicure. And then for like weeks after, my feet would hurt from the walking because I had to rebuild those calluses. And I remember one time I went to a new person to get my feet done, and they asked me, you know, what I did, how much walking did I do, and they left them there because they're like, they're there for a reason. Like, you don't really want to be taking them off, and then your feet are going to start hurting and just rebuild them. So I don't know if this, I wonder if this would do that, like if this would take off like even like calluses you build up. I don't even know if calluses is the right word, but now I don't walk anywhere because I'm at home all the time, so this is the perfect time to try it. I won't have to worry about my feet hurting afterwards. So yeah, I can't wait to try it. That's super fun. All right, check in here. Okay, this is the last thing, and this is very interesting looking. I received the Subosh arm refresher. Says this Japanese is from Japan. This Japanese massager for arms and wrists is just what we need after a long day of work, school, cleaning, or texting. Oops. Simply roll this tool around your wrist and arms to massage pressure points. How relaxing. In June's box comes one arm massager in white or pink. So I did receive the pink one. Well, you know I'm going to have to try this because I have absolutely no idea, you know, if that's actually going to feel good. I don't think I've ever come home after a long day and been like, man, my arm needs a massage. But it must exist for a reason. I could see this being good for like someone who like, yeah, I mean, if like, you're like typing and your like wrists get kind of sore like at a certain position all day, I could see this being good for that. It feels cool. So this is what it looks like, and then you just, I guess you put it down and put your arm on it. Oh, this is really, it feels really nice. All right, I wasn't expecting to actually like it. I don't know if I can actually show you. So you do this and it kind of like envelops it, and then you like go back and forth. It feels pretty good. I like that actually. I didn't think, I mean, I don't know if that I'll actually use this often, but it does something. I guess that is it for my June No Make No Life box. This was another really fun box. Definitely very skincare heavy this month, which is fine. I did get a blush and like a lip balm, but the rest are like skincare, which I always love trying new things, especially like little masks and stuff, and these are always so cute. So yeah, I really enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys did as well. If you did like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and if you would like to see more videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post new videos every Wednesday and Sunday. I will catch you guys next time. Bye!